So this is where the rubber hits the road this time of year. Crossing these rivers to get to the good fishing, you gotta fight some serious currents, and it can be a little treacherous, not gonna lie. So the key is, when you're trying to navigate one of these fast flowing rivers, get upstream of where you're trying to get to and walk downstream, so you're not fighting the current, right? And hopefully I'll make it to the other side here, but that's kind of my trick, is go with the flow. Can never fight the river. Got more force and power than you can even imagine. Here we go. GoPro, stop recording.